Hi, this is Sharon McCrum from the Waldport Public Library. I'm coming to you today to tell you about a very special book I've been reviewing for the Waldport Public Library, and soon it will be in our collection. And it's a reader, a puzzle reader through highlights. It's called Kit and Kaboodle Take the Train, and read the story and solve the puzzles. So let's get started. This is Kit, this is Kaboodle. The page. There we go. We're taking a train trip, says Kaboodle. Yes, says Kit. We're taking a train trip to Sillyville. Let's pack, says Kaboodle. Kit finds a small suitcase. I'm going to put it down like this so it's easier for you to see. I hope this is not too big, she says. Kaboodle finds a big suitcase. I hope this is not too small, he says. Kit packs a few things. I'm ready, she says. Kaboodle packs a few things. Then he packs more things. There's so much to pack. It will take hours, he says. So, now on this page, you're going to need to find a comb, a camera, an alarm clock, a toothbrush, a toothpaste, a book, a hairdryer, and an umbrella. Do you see some of those things? Let's see if I can find one of them. Let's see. Okay, there's the hairdryer. Okay, so let's move on to the next page. The next day, Kit and Kaboodle go to the train station. I hope I packed enough, says Kaboodle. I hope I did not pack too much, says Kit. Away they go. I'm hungry, says Kit. Let's get a snack. I packed a few snacks, says Kaboodle. He looks in his bag. There's a cinnamon bun, a banana, a muffin, an apple, a slice of pizza, a hot dog, a slice of watermelon, and a donut. Let's see if we can find one of those things. I found the donut. There we go. Okay, I'm going to read one more page to you, maybe two. All aboard, says the conductor. The train starts moving. Kit and Kaboodle look out the window. Look at all the colorful trees. I see a tree with yellow leaves. Says Kaboodle. I found it, says Kit. I see a tree with red leaves. Ooh, those are reddish orange. I found it, says Kaboodle. There is so much to see, says Kit. Let's make a picture to remember the trip. I packed a few things we can use to make a picture, says Kaboodle. He looks in his bag. He found a paintbrush, scissors, artist brush, a pen, a pencil, a palette, glue, and a crayon. Let's see if we can find one of those things together. There's the glue. There it is. Okay. Now let's talk for a minute about this book. This is a very special book in the sense that it lets you know that it is considered a level 2 reader. In Lexile Guide, it would be a 440. And it's also considered level 2. It's a Let's Read, and a guiding reading level of 1. Now, these are very important when you're learning to read. You want a book that's fun and interesting, and I really love the way this book is interactive. At the end of the book, it gives you some things too. It says, did you find all the things Kit and Kaboodle packed for their trip? And it goes through alarm clock, crayon, all the way over to a xylophone. And it's so much fun. And I hope that you have as much fun as I had with this. Because when I was young, highlights was something we got almost every month. And they always had look and find. So enjoy this great look and find reading level book puzzle finder. Thank you for listening today. Bye-bye.